Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use data validation in Google Sheets on your PC step by step. Data validation helps you control what users can enter into specific cells, making your spreadsheets more accurate and organized. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you want to use data validation. Next, select the cell or range of cells where you want to apply the validation rule. Once selected, click on the Data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Data Validation. A data validation panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Under the Criteria section, choose the type of validation you want to use. For example, you can allow only numbers, dates, text, checkboxes, or create a drop-down list with specific options. If you're creating a drop-down list, enter the items you want users to choose from. You can also customize how the drop-down appears and choose different colors for the options if available. Next, decide what should happen when someone enters invalid data. You can either show a warning or reject the input completely. If needed, add a help message to guide users on what values are allowed. Once you've configured the settings, click Done to apply the data validation rule. Now click one of the validated cells to test it. You'll see a drop-down menu or validation restrictions based on the criteria you selected. If you need to edit the rule later, select the validated cell, open the Data menu again, and choose Data Validation. And that's it. You've successfully used data validation in Google Sheets on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.